Good morning, student. This is your MT period, moral teaching period. Students, today we will do a exercise. In the previous video, I have explained you a lesson. In this video, I will we will do the exercises. So everyone take out your book and write down date and quotation. Today's date is 19/9/2020 and the quotation is greet with love. Okay? So students, first of all we will do the question answer. Okay, this is your oral subject, but in the lockdown we do some written part also. Okay, so you have to learn these question answer and the word meaning also. Word meaning, first word is ashram, the place where guru lives with the pupil. Number 2, current, a flow of electricity or water. Number 3, bridge, a hole or a gap in a wall, barrier. Personality, distinctive personal character. Blessing, invocation of happiness or success. Now, let's start the exercise. Question answer. Student, write your work very neatly. Okay, do your work very neatly. Why did the ridge of the field get washed away? Why? Tell me the answer, everyone. Shardendu, can you give the answer of this question? Aishwarya Sahu, Arya, Abhiman Pal? No. So answer is due to heavy rainfall. Okay. There is too much rain, that is why the ridge was washed away. Second question, who went to repair the ridge of the field? Who will give the answer? Akrati, Aradhya, anyone else? No. Aruni and two students. Aruni and two students went to repair the ridge of the field. Now, what did Aruni do when he would not repair two ridge of the field? Yes, who will give the answer of this question? Laksh Pandey, Tanmay, Chavi, and Umang Pal. Umang Pal, you will give the answer? No. And Angel, Srishti Panchal, Shaili, Shambhavi, Shardendu. No one. No one give the answer of this question. I will give you the answer of this question. He laid down. How did Arni do? Arni laid down and across the bridge. He laid down across the bridge. Bridge. Okay, bridge means a hole or a gap in a wall. Okay. Now question number 4. Everyone get ready. For what? For giving the answer. Especially Arnav, Ashmita, Riya, Pratigya, Astha. Now, are you ready? Arya, how did the Guru feel on seeing Aruni? He was pleased. Student, he was pleased because Aruni was doing very well. So he was pleased. Okay. Now, Mayank Singh, Mayank Verma, Ansh Raj, okay, and Abhay Raj, Shrishti Panchal, Rajbir, you all ready to give the answer, okay? Yes. What all does your teacher give you? What all does your teacher give you? Your teacher give you blessings. Students, blessings and knowledge. Your teacher give you blessings and knowledge. Now we will do fill in the blanks. There are some words you have there are some words for giving you a clue. Okay, the guru shows you to the way to God. Okay, the teacher gives you what your teacher gave you, knowledge. Number 3, you can understand the difference between right and wrong. You can understand if you get the knowledge to your teacher, you will get the difference between right and wrong. Your teacher show you to the way to become a great personality. Okay, so you should always follow your teachers advice. Okay, number 5, you should respect your teacher. Okay student, it's very compulsory. Then this exercise is not in your course, so you have to cut this exercise like with this, like the with the blue pencil. Okay, now you turn your page, write about your teacher. Okay, can you write for me something? First of all, you have to write my teacher's name is. So what is the name of your teacher? Miss Mahima Chaurasia. Okay, Mrs. Mahima Chaurasia. She teaches me. I teach you all subjects. So you have to write all subjects. Student, the next question is very important for all. Why do you like me? I like my teacher from your side. I like my teacher because she is very beautiful. No, but I am not beautiful. So she is very caring. You can say she is very nice. Okay, she is very intelligent, whatever you want. Okay, because this is by your side. Okay, she is very caring. I write myself, I am very caring for you, so I write she is very caring. Okay, this is the fun activity you have to do. There are some jumbled word, you have to rearrange these words. This the spelling. Okay, spelling fun with jumbled words. Okay, so student, your chapter is finished, exercise we have done, but you have to do this exercise very neat and clean handwriting in your book and learn also. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.